The trading frenzy continues after GBTC Grayscale wins against the SEC. Guys, in this video, we are going to tackle exactly what I said to you yesterday. And in this video, plus my emergency video with the breakout that happened, we are going to go and discuss a few things from there, but also some new things around a number of interesting topics that are coming out in the space. And guys, if you believe that crypto is here to stay for the long run, then smash the thumbs up on the video ahead, please. That would be very, very gratefully appreciated. In the meantime, guys, welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. Thank you for being here with me. I'm Kiara Cass, and let's delve right into this video. We got a lot to get through, so in a short space of time today, I'm going to keep the video very short. Cryptocurrency market cap today is currently sitting at okay. Where is my chart? There you go. Oh, what up to start? There, 1.136 trillion. Trading volume was 70 billion, guys. That's incredible. Very, very, very nice. And if you guys want to see more information on the BTC dominance plus the crypto altcoins charts, let me know. I will do a video for you guys. Maybe I'll do that video for you guys tomorrow. But Bitcoin is now sitting above the 27,000 level at 27,400 and ETH at 1715. I'm not going to go down through the rest of them right now, but you can see there was crazy pumps in the market yesterday. They literally all had this crazy like erection of a candle. So 4.4% up in the crypto market cap. The fear and greed index even punched up today from yesterday's 39 to today being 49. And the crypto bubbles today are mostly all in the, not all, but there are a lot in the green. And as you can see here, we got Stacks, TON, BCH. The rest of them are chilled and pretty much in the red still, and that's because BTC dominance still continues to push up. The news in today, guys, we must know that today we have ADP, okay, which is about 4:15 p.m. South African time. We also have the GDP, which is going to cause havoc. And then we have pending home sales, which is definitely going to cause a little bit of havoc. That's today's news, okay? Let alone for what we have for the rest of the week. We know we have PCE, core PCE, and year over year, and plus initial jobless claims. And Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic speaks in South Africa. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know that that person was in South Africa. That's very, very interesting. And why are you speaking in South Africa? Especially when South Africa actually, as a country, is allied with China and doesn't, they're quite neutral. They don't take a lot of stuff from the Americans, which is very interesting. And I know most of the people watching this video, my channel, are American-based. 30% of the channel is American-based, which I love and I appreciate because, you guys are the forefront of crypto, essentially. So remember, non-farm payrolls on Spring Day Equinox is happening on Friday as well. So today, this ADP is going to be, and the GDP is going to be very, very important for what happens in the markets today. Are we going to continue the bullish trend, or is there going to be some sort of pullback? Now, for me personally, I'll discuss that a little bit later on in the video, so make sure to stay tuned right to the very end because there's a lot of information to share with you guys. But very, very simple. I like the picture here. There's already Grayscale with a, a barcode scan thing. Unlock crypto with basically Grayscale. I don't know why that was ripped off, but you can see here, Grayscale's victory ignites GBTC trading frenzy as investors bet on narrowing discount to Bitcoin price. So the SEC must review its rejection to convert the Grayscale BTC Trust into an exchange traded fund, the court rule appeal. So the Grayscale's court was ignited, when court win ignited a trading frenzy with GBTC shares, pushing the trading volume to the highest since June 22. Some traders who had bet on narrowing discount to net asset values took profits, but there could be more upside in the case of conversion, Digital Asset Research CEO said. Grayscale's flagship Bitcoin fund was in the epicenter of last year's crypto implosions. So nearly 20 million GBTC shares changed hands through the day, the most since June 2022. Crypto market crash according to Yahoo data. The share price surged 18% to almost $21, the highest since Bitcoin hit 31 in mid-July. That is great news, right? What would you say down in the comments, guys? What do you think about the win? Do you think that this is going to completely change the outlook? Now, this, just because they won, doesn't mean that they are going to be the first to get the ETF. Doesn't mean that they will get the ETF right now. Honestly, BlackRock and ARK are probably one of the first amongst the applicants to be able to get the ETF under their books. So GBTC are really fighting and pushing, and that's what happens when you fight against, when the SEC fights against the big guys come back at them, and they don't just take the punch, they fight back, okay? Whereas the little guys, like Impact Theory, you know, they have to pay. And might I just say, what the SEC has basically done is they've said, oh, okay, well, that crypto is doing that, that crypto is doing that. I want a cut of the pie. So they take the piece of the pie and they basically go out and sue these projects, guys. That is fraud, direct fraud from the regulatory body of the Securities Exchange. This is crazy, guys. It's crazy. Let me know what you guys think about that down below. The real reasons the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF decision matters is the US Court's appeals in rebuking the securities watchdog shows that Securities and Exchange Commissioner Gary Gensler won't get the last word on crypto. Exactly. So the US is one step closer. The US is one step closer to having a spot Bitcoin ETF, a holy grail of white glove crypto financial products. A three-judge, so not only one judge, three-judge panel for the US Court of Appeals delivered a crushing interpretation of the Securities and Exchange Commission's logic for denying an ETF, finding the agency acted capriciously and arbitrarily. Okay. That's what the crypto folk have been saying for years. Exactly. This is, okay, don't worry. Yeah, it's further, the SEC seemed unwilling to listen to the facts, like the spot and futures Bitcoin markets are 99% correlated, and so the concerns it has raised to reject 100% of spot ETF filings won't make sense. Exactly. Okay. So, guys, you can see that Mr. Gary Gensler and his little cronies there at the SEC are literally about to become obliterated, okay? And who knows? Maybe the SEC and the CFTC are going to fall away and a new governing body or commission will be instated once elections happen next year. Who knows what's going to happen? I don't know. I'm not a genie in a bottle. I don't have a genie in a bottle, but that is just the writing on the walls. But guys, one of the craziest little bits of news here today. Before I go on to that one, I'm going to show you something. The Dixie is hitting rejection, okay? We're starting to turn on the RSI. We're hitting rejection on that 50. I spoke about this in my video over here yesterday. Go and check that out. Very simple. The NASDAQ. What did I say to you guys? I said to you in my video yesterday, okay, that we were for a long time building this cup and handle pattern, which is now starting to look like it is playing out because we have volume coming in, RSI resetting and starting to pull up, the 50 starting to bounce off the 200 over here, and this cup and handle pattern really looking good. So guys, neckline, purple box, you guys know we have to get out of that purple box. If we get out of that purple box, the target for the NDX is 23,000 basically, okay? From where we are right now at 15,000, that is a decent percentage away, and that percentage would probably look a little bit like another 50% up, guys. That would be a very, very good pump in the market. So there's some speculation out there in the crypto YouTube that basically is going to be a bit of a blow off top and then the market crash. I don't know. I'm just sharing with you what I've heard. You know, I don't really know, so I can't say. But the charts don't lie. The charts say that it's looking a little bit more bullish than it is looking bearish right now. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And let's go and check out the Bitcoin chart. So the Bitcoin chart, this is on the weekly time frame. Now you can see the reversal candle here. Boom. Are we reversing? This candle has not yet engulfed this candle, and we were up above this slope yesterday, but we have not yet pulled back into that space once again. So I guess we'll just have to be patient, wait and see what happens there. And now you can go ahead and look at this, guys. So I just want to show you something very, very, very critically important, right? So we've been two candles that have closed underneath the 200 moving average, which is my red line over here. Then this candle yesterday was sitting nicely above the 200. So if we can get above the 200 and close a candle above the weekly 200, the likelihood of us going up once again is even better. And especially because I said to you guys that it looks as though this pull from the 50 to go up, where there is support and support here on this level, after it being converted from resistance to resistance, support, maybe this is the chance for the Bitcoin price to start to head on for a very strong rally to the upside. Bouncing off the 50, pushing back up, finding some support somewhere there on the 200, because once this starts to pull back up here and cross over that 200, guys, it's game over. You will not get Bitcoin at this price anymore. And guys, if you want to go ahead and trade this beautiful these beautiful cryptos with me, then make sure to come over to my channel and go ahead and look at the link down in the description below. You can go ahead and sign up and get a deposit bonus when you go ahead and sign up with my Bitflex link down below. So my number 1 link is Bitflex. My number 2 link is Bybit, guys. I have crazy stuff for you, crazy bonuses. There is huge amounts of bonuses down here for you. Make sure to go ahead and go and check that down in the description below. And of course, I will pin in the video, the comment, the description for you too, so that you guys can go ahead and grab that. Now, the last little bit of information that I want to share with you before I leave you on this beautiful video for the day is, Twitter set to add crypto payments under Elon Musk's leadership. Well, guess what, guys? X, formerly Twitter, received the Rhode Island currency transmission license necessary for trading crypto assets. Being the biggest social media platform, X would be exposing crypto trading to over 400 million users. X first made waves in the crypto industry after integrating NFTs into profile pictures onto the platform. After Grayscale's victory against SEC Securities Exchange Commission, Twitter has acquired the necessary license to offer crypto payments to its users. The move comes after it allowed integration of NFTs. And basically what you can see here, Elon Musk's okay, so you can see that this is very, very good. So what does this do? This basically is now literally about to bring 400 million users to crypto adoption. So the users that are on X or on Twitter that have not yet been using crypto, but have heard about it, now is the time to become part of it. And guess what, guys? I'm telling you, Dodge is going to be pumping very, very soon, because Elon Musk's favorite coin is Dodge, okay? And I'm sure his second favorite coin is Bitcoin. So he wants to use it as a payment system, okay? And that's why they've made this application for currency transmission license. So they can store, they can trade, they can convert, they can convert into fiat. So there's multiple things that they can do using the Twitter X platform. So I'm sure this has to be integrated over the next couple of weeks. But guys, the onboarding, not only of Twitter, BlackRock, ARK, Coinbase, CoinShares, Invesco, Grayscale, GBTC, plus people like you and myself who are already in the crypto space. We're way earlier than these people, guys. What do you think about this? Are we early or are we late to the market? I would like to know down in the comments below from my beautiful community. And thank you to my beautiful community for being here on this beautiful video today. I really appreciate you all. And if you are part of this, the viewers that are watching this channel and have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel in the meantime and smash the thumbs up. That would be gratefully appreciated. Much love and safe trading today. Watch this one, because this one was even crazier than this one. Guys, blessings to you all.